is Tyson Fury! OLEKSANDR!
The Tyson Fury vs. OLEKSANDR USYK fight to be held in Saudi Arabia this week is the main event in the world of boxing this May. The historic undisputed heavyweight title fight between the two undefeated boxers, whose talent, stamina, and strength will dominate the fight and be crowned undisputed champion in the heavyweight division? Is it the United Kingdom's WBC heavyweight world champion Gypsy King Tyson Fury, or the Ukraine's undisputed heavyweight world champion OLEKSANDR USYK? Before the fight between the two, let's go back together to the knockout highlights in their boxing careers.
Plenty of young talent in the heavyweight division in this country, and Fury trying to show that he's the best of them.
For some strange reason, Ellis just decided to walk in.
Down he went. I think he's going to do well to get through this opening round.
But if you're going to walk into the firing line, you're going to get nailed. That's exactly what's happened. What did he expect?
Left crosses now, like that one, to send the blood splattering. Yep, the big turn from OLEKSANDR from USYK, and you can see Tony Bellew wearing down, still looking for that right hand, still Gallion, still great. He's really closing this gap with real, middle of the foot. And then Fury lights out, Dave Caldwell strikes in the ring. I think he's going to stop it, and OLEKSANDR losing. Strike from Fury. 15 years as well on the German and a body shot.
I think that's just taken all the desire. Hello, Glasgow.
On his way to another quick fire win here, Tyson Fury. Looks at his corner. Gum shields out. Not sure he's going to go through.
Coming from Alexander Usyk. Left hand success. And then a sneaking underhand left. In with the momentum. And weaving once again off the ropes. But then he tosses across the boxing ring to take up residence on the ropes on the far side of the ring. Leon trying to hold on, but instead he's only covering up. Covering and weaving. That left hand to the body goes into Wilt. Again he's trying to get out of the corner. Uppercut ripping through the middle. Robin Byrne poised and hooked. All of his strength being put to the test. Usyk working away furiously. Shots underneath. Robinson stepped in and has waved it off.
Heads bumping together, left hook from McDermott. There's the hand speed and McDermott falls!
To go for this.
Right hand from McDermott, as a go and a countering shot from Fury! And McDermott down for the second time and a heavier fall! And so much time left in the round!
They both won.
Artu looks at his corner! Skelton had him over 4 times.
There's no slouch.
No, not at all.
I mean, that accuracy
big guy. Yes.
6'2" plus guy, southpaw, with an unimpeded left counter shot, but that's all right.
If we celebrate, it doesn't get any better than that.
Capricorn in this fight has knocked him to the second time. So this is the second official.
Oh, good shot. Oh,
Big
good
lands a
shot.
big left over the top of the fight in the last 20 or 30 seconds.
Oh,
After
yeah.
going down for the second time.
Oh, lovely right from Tyson Fury again. Right hook's got him, and he is out, the Brazilian there. Tyson Fury is out. The Brazilian, I think, out cold, Steve Box.
Yeah, he's okay, he's
Before he
okay.
hit the canvas, he's now been rolled onto his back.
Боксирует Соломов. Стоящий на курте. Но в этом году Александр Усик будет боксировать за звание чемпиона мира. Это больше пахнет уже технической победой.
Тримається за
Нокаута.
He's trying to avoid high checks over hand right, but he's doing everything right now. The sit high check, the pegging. Better right hand that time from Fury, the first time he appeared to hit each other. Fury with a right uppercut that rocks back into his boots. Yeah, he needs to keep going in here, and he needs to keep dictating the turns here. When he gets that jab going, and then he unleashes that big right hand, he has great success.
Right hand again, and Pakic is rocking again. Fury has Pakic in trouble. He's down in front of us.
He's going to have to be careful here with high check.
Right uppercut. He stopped it in round 3.
Недостаточно полминуты до конца этого раунда. Еще одно падение. Стоит Инфилм.
Ну что, добьет или нет? Вот главный вопрос, наверное, этого
Кажется, прячется за блоком Мюллер. И Инга Барабас не выдерживает.
And if he can keep that punch working, left hand from Fury and Rogan is down. It's convincing now than it did earlier on. Good combination again, and that has really hurt Rogan. Left to the body from Fury, and is Rogan going to recover? It was clinical and it was brutal, and Rogan is stumbling to his feet. There's only seconds left in the round. Can he defend himself here, Rogan?
Такая роскошная контратака Александра Усика. Долго он ждал ее, и град ударом сейчас обрушивается.
In this fight, handed over, and Tyson Fury is showing us why he's won. What he's saying. For a living, it's a cliche to call Maradona a tough guy, but he is tough. He has to get in there and stop it.
Зараз є нагода добити. Нагода є, але поки це не зустрічає. Тщательный совершенно был. И еще, и еще, и еще, и еще.
And walking Steve down, getting him tired. Good body shot by Fury. I think Steve's a little hurt here, Kenny.
That's a nice uppercut, two of them in there. And Cunningham backing up just a bit.
Yeah, Fury is Steve's almost done here. Look at this.
There's another good and he's down. Cunningham is knocked down by Fury. Fury got the right in and Cunningham is floored.
He's hurt bad. You see him using that forearm. I think Steve's done here, Kenny. He's in a
Ну что, уже окото того не видно. Йоргу Мильке не понравились эти разговоры. От Брюера и левый боковой договорился. Брюер. И это похоже на нокаут.
Low blow. Oh, it's a terrific right hand. Great right hand from Tyson Fury. Looking for what could be a knockout blow if he can land it again on the button. Seconds counting down at the end of this third round. Oh, good left hand. Had a good left hand himself, Fury. And now he turns the tables and comes back. And down he goes.
Tyson just changed southpaw, didn't he? Got caught. Oh, lovely.
Отличный удар, очень хлесткий, акцентированный побег. Видит, не считает. Украинец и очередная атака. И тут рефери даже не отсчитывает это.
Punches, takes it out.
Oh, he's caught him with a solid left hand.
Oh, lovely. Right hand, left hand, back left hand there from.
I think Tyson would like this one to be finished now. And I think I'll tend to agree. Reluctantly, I think Derek Chisora has agreed and the fight is over.
Идет развить атаку. Установка есть. Чтобы не спешить. Снова удар по корпусу Школа. Реагуем. Бурхливо просто такой на атаке. Прошел четкий удар слева. Вылетает полотенце. Но песечка рефери все равно у нас досчитывает до конца.
Tyson Fury! Have a little talk with G. OLEKSANDR!